You see, you feel right for your mind though, say you write secure code today. But one old NPM package where you installed 3 years ago fit disgrace you tomorrow. Hackers know they stress, then they wait, make your dependencies expire like bread. Anyway, I found that me was spiking the tech prophet. Oh yeah, they with me. Wetin be vulnerable outdated components? This thing they happen when they use old library, unmaintained frameworks, abandoned GitHub projects, outdated Docker images, old version of either Node or Python or PHP, whatever you're using. Or you decide for your mind to they use packages with known vulnerabilities that they call them CVEs. Or the worst part, you not know. Everything go they work like this until hacker touch them. Make una solve it for the break what I don't take since now. I got rest, So I don't come back now with this hacker series. Now go still collect and woto. Supply chain attack now when hackers no attack you directly. Them attack your dependencies instead. Because why struggle with your security when your dependencies come with nice vulnerabilities? For example, now you install one popular library, then the maintainer, the best way they maintain the project, don't abandon her. Then the hacker go come publish updates with malware. You see as it take the enter so. So everybody will update that dependency like this. All of now don't collect virus, OT-law, or maybe now old library will get CVE. Then hackers go search for companies which still they use them as their dependencies, as part of their dependencies. Then they go use automated tools to exploit them. Upside, say now so Equifax lost about 147 million records. Now no yera because of one outdated Apache library. Hackers know they guess then they use tools to look for vulnerabilities inside your components. So, for example, run NPM audits as you see on for screen. So, it go show you critical vulnerabilities inside your node modules. Hackers they use the same database of vulnerabilities, so just with more powerful scanners. Then if you use Snike or Sneak, whatever way, see how they spell am for screen. Snike go fit tell you which package get CVE, the how severe it be, and how to exploit them. Or you fit still use OS int tools. I hope say na so that they pronounce them. Hackers go scan GitHub repos and check their package.json for outdated version. If they see Express like 4.16.1 like this for screen, or na Lodash for example 4.17.11, they go just smile because you see these versions get public exploits. Why this particular one they switch hackers? Because the number one, the exploit already they public. The vulnerability already they documented. You dey see am? Proof of concept already online. Most companies know they update dependencies. You call Lu one legba. And developers they fear breaking changes. It pay me say I miss that Twitter space. Another one go come again, sha. Some hackers no need creativity, they just need to copy and paste. And they tell you with all these documented vulnerabilities, so law. See, I might tell you about some consequences. Old libraries fit allow remote code execution. You don't hear them before, Abi? RCE, arbitrary file read, account takeover, API compromise, server backdoor, data leakage, full system takeover. Outdated dependencies now actually the weakest link inside your chain, I dey tell you. So how do you fix this? How to fix it? Number one, regular dependency updates. Every week or sprint, run audits. Walai. If you reach your turn, they run audits when problem come. Number two, use NPM or PNPM. May you try to fix moderate or critical vulnerabilities very fast. Also, number three, they use well-maintained libraries only. Check last updated. Check the GitHub activity. Check the opened issues. Because sometimes I did the wahala dey. Check the number of contributors. Number four, use Snike, the Bandabot, or Innovate. Because this one's go help you with automated updates if it save your life. Then number five, remove unused dependencies. Why you go get 130 packages when your app actually need just like 7? Suppose wipe your right code for head. I talk about myself, 70 years old man. Because every package go be potential attack surface. Anyways, make I just tell you, you know they fight hackers alone. All your dependencies, they fight with you. If one library weak like this, everybody don't weak. Anyways, I don't see try for you. Bye.